In this video, we'll demonstrate how you can wirelessly charge other devices using your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Let's dive in and discover how. Please note, this feature is limited to the flagship models of the Samsung Galaxy lineup, and some other models as well. With that out of the way, let us move ahead with the process. Head to the Settings app. Now navigate to Battery. Inside the menu, scroll down and look for Wireless Power Sharing. Tap on it. Next, activate the toggle next to Off. By default, the wireless power sharing is off. Additionally, you can adjust the percentage to stop sharing battery when phone reaches a specific percentage. This will establish a battery threshold on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, causing it to cease battery sharing. Voila! You can now effortlessly place a wireless chargeable device on the back of your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Any device that supports wireless charging, such as phones, earphones, and more, can be charged. Having mastered the technique of wirelessly charging other devices, why not elevate your tech skills? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially curated videos just for you.